Hello and good day to all of you subscribers. So, uh, today and on the next few uploads, we will discuss one of our good topics on this on my lessons, which is the power system analysis, or simply, in other words, power systems 2. We discussed power systems 1, which the coverage is polyphase systems. Now, the application of this will be on power systems 2 or power system analysis. So, to those who subscribe on my channel, who already subscribe on my channel, I want to thank all of you. The suggestions, the comments. As you can see, we have a new board. Thank you. I bought it today, and you have a very nice view of the board now with smooth. I can have a smooth writing from now on. And also we have a new light on the right side, which seeing my face. So when we discuss few things, it can emphasize also the clarity and the lighting for the words or sentences on on our whiteboard. And for those who are not yet subscribed on this channel, please subscribe at the right side of the video so that you can be notified on the next few informative videos. Okay, let us discuss the coverage of the power system analysis. We have only 3, but these 3 topics are too broad. So since this is just a refresher course, we will make use of the important formula, but the formulas only, but the derivations, we will make that on a separate video under the power system analysis or lesson 5. First, we will discuss the symmetrical components, which we will make use of the positive, negative, and zero sequence components, which is the application of your unbalanced polyphase. So you already know your unbalanced polyphase and balanced polyphase topics on lesson 4. And then we will make use of another important aspect of analysis in terms of per unit. And you will make use of per unit analysis using a balanced state of your system. Okay? And then from there, you can use an AC analysis. Then from AC analysis, you can solve the parameters of the system. Please take note, by the way, per unit analysis is the involvement of machines, which is your AC generators, motors, and your transformers. By the way, those topics will be provided on a separate lesson as well. Now, from there, we can now have our fault calculations, which is dependent on 2 important types of faults. You have the symmetrical fault or the ISC 3-phase fault, and unbalanced or shunt faults. By the way, symmetrical fault is also balanced fault, and it is specifically your ISC 3-phase. Now, unbalanced fault is your ISC line-to-line, ISC SLG, and ISC DLG. Double L here is line-to-line fault. SLG is single line-to-ground fault. DLG is double line-to-ground fault, which is a very, very important aspect when you go forward to the protection side of power systems. Now, power system analysis is a very, very broad subject. It involves plenty of theoreticals and concepts. So this will be further discussed, the other power system analysis courses, maybe on the next advanced lessons, okay, for the OEERT, or the Online Electrical Engineering Review and Tutorial channel. So our coverage is very, very promising. So for those who subscribe, thank you very much. All of the support, maraming salamat, and stay tuned, no, for the next informative videos. God bless. Ciao.